With the channel thresholds feature, you're in control. Set custom limits across various data channels so you can stay in the know when values move outside your defined range, helping you detect inconsistencies earlier and reduce unplanned downtime. Monitor specific channels and faults, such as engine boost pressure, and visualize your data using the data logger to spot trends and operating patterns across your full fleet. You can also dive further into your asset's performance with greater customizability using trends, histograms, and cumulatives. If you're a reliability engineer managing condition monitoring events, you can easily generate recommendations for your maintenance team using the data available. The result? Smarter maintenance planning, faster response times, and more consistent performance across your full fleet, designed for complex, high-value equipment. VisionLink Analyze supports advanced diagnostics and deeper troubleshooting, helping you gain the clarity and confidence you need to manage the most critical assets with precision. Interested in unlocking Analyze for your operations? Contact a local dealer to learn more about upgrading to the Analyze or Analyze manual data upload subscriptions in VisionLink today.